Welcome to Maths Albertua today. Today we want to see how we can define a function in practical terms. A function. Okay? A function is a machine just like the one I'm holding. A function is a machine that takes in inputs. And then it takes in inputs and processes the inputs to produce a unique output. A function is a machine. Take note of that. It takes in inputs and then it processes the inputs to produce a unique output. For example, I have some quantity of melon here. If I put it into this machine, what does it do? If I put it into this machine and begin to process, look at it. I begin to process this melon I have put inside. What are you going to notice? It's going to begin to produce. It's going to begin to produce an output. Just watch and see. It's going to produce a unique output. So I put in some seeds of melon. I process the input I put inside the machine. What does it do? It's going to work based on some certain rules meant for the machine and yield results. Okay, so if you put in melon, it will process it into a sort of powder form and produce the output uniquely. If you put in another product, it's going to work on it and it's going to produce a different sort of result. That's how it goes. So a function is a machine that takes in input, processes the input to produce a unique output. For example, look at it. For example, if I have, so we are here. For example, I have, look at it. If I have f of x is equal to, let's say, x squared, f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. This is just like what I explained. It's a machine actually, just like this one. Now, if you check very well, this machine, what does it do? If you put this x here is an input actually. X here is the input. Okay? If you put in x, just like I put in some seeds of melon into this machine, what does it do? The machine is going to process that input. In order to, you can see that something is dropping from the machine I put inside. It's going to process the input to bring out a unique, mark that this in that word, unique. Unique means a distinct or special output. Now, if you look very well, if I put in 1, what happens? If I put in 1 into the machine, what does it do? The rule of the machine is that whatever you put inside, the machine will double it. The machine is going to double it and then remove 5 and bring out the answer as an output. So this is a description of the machine, for example. So if I put in 1 into this machine, what does it do? It will be 2 multiplied by that 1 I put inside, then minus 5. That's going to give us what? 2, and then 2 times a negative 5 is 2 times 1 is going to be 2 minus 5. So 2 minus 5 is going to give you a minus 3. We're going to say, therefore, f of 1 is a minus 3. What does it mean? I put in 1 into what? 1 is the input. I put it into this the description of this function, which is described like a machine. What does it do? The machine has used this rule to work on it, and this is the result. Just like I put some seeds of egusi here. Yeah, melon is egusi actually in some I think in a particular dialect. So I processed this thing into the machine worked on it, and then it will grind that melon into powder form. Probably I want to cook mathematically. All right, so this is it. Now, if you change the input of this function, it's going to give you another answer. That's what we mean by a unique output. Like if you change your mind and put another value, let's say if you put 10 here instead, we're going to say f of 10. If you put 10 inside here, it's going to give you 2 multiplied by 10, take away 5. Okay? So this will give us what? 2 times 10 is going to give you 20, take away 5, which will give you what? 15. So each time you put a particular input into the function, which is the machine, what does it do? The machine processes that information and brings out a special answer, a distinct answer, different from another one. And that's what makes it a function. If you if you put in different products and you get the same answer, then it's no longer a function. It's a sort of relation or a mapping. Is that okay? All right. So get to know that today, practically, that a function is a machine that takes in a sort of input and processes that input to produce a unique output. All right. Do well to share this video with others. In fact, do well to like, first of all, to share and subscribe if you are here to do so. Please do well to tell somebody about Maths Hour. Thank you.